Time. Another big story this morning, coronavirus cases rising dramatically in Contra Costa County. In fact, the county has seen currently 3,635 active new cases of COVID, and this comes as the Delta variant continues to spread throughout the community. We want to take a closer look at just one of the cities in Contra Costa County, the city of Danville. As of today, the city has, in the last 14 days, added 102 new cases of coronavirus, and this comes at a time when we're seeing this all over the Bay Area. And despite the rise that we're seeing in cases, one Danville business says that they're not going to enforce the new indoor mask mandate. Crime for Sara Stinson live for us at Danville Bowl with more. Sarah?
Yeah, this bowling alley here in Danville Bowl, they're saying the choice is up to their customers if they want to wear a mask or not. They said if you want to, cool, but you don't have to. And they go further than that. They spread some misinformation, and they also, embolden people not to wear it. And this is a place where people, touch a lot of things. You get close to others, and it's an area where I think the health officials would really want people to wear a mask. That's why they put the mask mandate in place, to protect people as coronavirus cases are continuing to spread throughout our communities. And as you just said, right here in Danville, where this business has decided to defy it. Now, the Delta variant, it's spreading to not just unvaccinated people, but also a small percentage of vaccinated people too. The mask mandate was put in place in the hopes that more restrictions won't be needed, like capacity limits and lockdowns, but it doesn't appear to be working if businesses are encouraging people not to mask up and if they're defying health orders. Now take a look at what Danville Bowl says. We have it on your screen. They said, we're well aware of the mask mandate. With that being said, we will not be enforcing it. We believe everyone has the right to freedom and not constant retracting restrictions from the government. Let's be honest, if they were intelligent, they wouldn't be working for the government. If you would like to wear your mask inside while you bowl, feel free. If you don't want to, that's okay. The choice is up to you. The bowling alley statement went on to say if you're vaccinated, you should have nothing to worry about at all. And as we know, that's absolutely not true. We're seeing people with the vaccine that are getting coronavirus with this Delta variant, which is more contagious. It's giving very bad symptoms to those who are unvaccinated. The Contra Costa County health officer breaks down why it's important to wear a mask during a time when this Delta variant cases are spreading all over the place.
The number of patients in local hospitals due to COVID have doubled in just the past 10 days and increased by more than 400% in the month of July. People who are in the hospital with COVID, they're really sick. They're gasping for air. They're struggling to breathe. If they're in the ICU, they're likely have a tube down their throat on a machine breathing for them, fighting for their life.
Yeah, we've been hearing from health officers from almost every county about this mask mandate. The 7 counties who decided to put it in place, about why it's so important that we, crack down now so we don't have to do lockdowns in the future. So businesses like this bowling alley don't have to shut down because cases are so out of control. The mask mandate sort of hoping that we can just get it under control. Now, what happens when businesses defy a mask mandate? That's something we'll be trying to figure out this morning, talking with health officials and also learning more about why Danville Bowl has decided to defy this mask mandate. So stand by, a lot more to learn about this story. For now, reporting live in Danville, Sara Stinson, back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Sarah.
While surging cases in the Delta variant have pushed